Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find chests in the 99 Nights in the Forest game on Roblox. So you'll see it like in the map when you've explored that area. So right now it's here. Usually they're in the same spots. That's why if you play this game a lot, you'll be able to kind of know where the chests are. So you'll be able to find some goodies here. Like I got a flashlight. Where else would the... Gosh, there's a lot of wolves there. Let's not go there. I think there's one... I don't think there's any up here, but sometimes they have like flashlights up here, which is good. If you're out in the night... Oh, I can't even carry that. With me. But when you explore the map a little bit further out, you'll be able to find where the like chests are. Sometimes there's like med kits, sometimes there's bandages for you to revive your friends. It does take a long time to find some stuff, like to find the chests. But yeah, that's how you can basically find chests in this game. What's this? Oh, okay, I found another one here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.